Good morning. Today we are going to go over to Star Rock. It's 6:10 a.m. so let's get driving because it's quite a drive. Got my homemade concha to eat, a banana, and my coffee. Sandy stuff. It's pretty cool. I should have gotten something to take some sand in. Well, you see this rock? It's made of sand. Watch this. Look, follow me. If we follow it up, we zoom in closer. Look at that. It looks like that rock just came down. And that's the sand that I was showing you guys. I'm over here at Star Rock already, and it's quite chilly. I don't know if I brought the right gear or anything. Alright, so that was the French Canyon, frozen in the winter. We did get nice weather, that's why I'm out here. When I got here it was freezing, now it's a really nice temperature. French Canyon. Did not bust my. Earlier this morning, I was all the way up there. That's when the birds were going crazy, and when I had my camera out, they decided not to fly. When I put it away, a bunch of them flew all around. This is LaSalle Canyon. There's no waterfall today, but we've been here, and this turns into a sliding pool. It's pretty cool. I don't know how to swim, so I never went down there, but I saw some people would go all the way down there. So if you know how to swim, it's pretty nice in the summer. I wasn't gonna come over here. I was gonna turn around and go back to the car, but then I was like, let's do it. So I decided to come, and the first thing I saw when I was coming, like after like 20 feet, was a bald eagle flying. I was so excited. I was like, that's a good sign. Bald eagles are amazing. When the sun is out, the head is off. This is Beehive Overlook. There's nothing much to see here. Right now it's the winter, so we have some kind of view through over here. But usually in the summer it's all full of leaves. Alright, so I think those trees right there, I think that's Beehive Overlook. You see how it's wrapped around. And then I went all the way, ooh, that green area over there, somewhere over there. I was over there at that overlook too. That's pretty awesome. So does that mean I went all the way over to the tree somewhere all the way over there? It's crazy. I was charging my watch and I forgot it. My Apple Watch to track my hiking. Oh well. And then Buffalo Rock State Park is somewhere. All the way over there, somewhere over there. If you got to this point of the video, thank you for watching along this video. This is Star Rock, December. Got nice weather today. We came out here to do a small hike. And I got to see the bird with the red head. It was a woodpecker. I almost was this close of getting it. My camera made the recording noise and it got scared. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you guys soon, and thank you for watching.